marka pranje svih stakala. Može 2 marke, operem vam i vrata ulazna i...
U Istanbul smo stigli prije 10 minuta. Sad smo na televiziji ovoj nekoj gdje ćemo imati tonsku probu, a onda u 1 ujutro posle 24 sata vožnje sviramo direktno u programu live.
Shall we start? Let's go!
Aufwiegelse mich Merkel, you are not my friend. When I tell you merhaba, you don't understand. Natalie Berlusconi, prostitution stories. We don't run in country, taking all the glory. Well, if you wanna meet me, Mr. Sarkozy, you will have to learn my language. Parlez-vous gypsy?
Dubioza Kolektif. Is that right?
That's right.
Oh, evet sevgili izleyenler. First time you're in Turkey.
Yes.
Brano.
Brano, yes.
How are you?
Brano.
How's everybody? Bu arada Erdem de bize tercümanlık yapacak. Yani böyle şey gibi durmayalım.
Konu mankeni gibi.
It's our first time in Turkey, first time in Istanbul.
So nice to have you here. I'm so glad that you join us tonight. Bir de bir şey söyleyeceğim abi sana. This is your first time here. I'm gonna tell you something, bro. I said, this is the first place you see in Istanbul, my studio.
Actually, we came half an hour ago, so we just came straight to studio, and we didn't have a shower, unfortunately.
Hello man, how you doing? Kako je?
Merhaba, we are Brano and Armin, one quarter of Dubioza Collective, and you are watching Musical.
Meni je odlično. Slušao sam na televiziji, smanjio sam kod tebe pa pojao na televiziji. Nije bilo ovih kod Vlade. Biće freda.
Bing.